What's good, people? A few days ago I showed you guys the semi-automatic sniper setup that I did. Turned into a bolt action, and a lot of people have been asking me to show them how it's done. So it's real simple. Anyway, here's the breakdown. Alright, so pretty much what you do is you could do it on the right or you could do it on the left. Do a slot enough for the bolt to go all the way back for the FSR to feed. Like I said, I did mine on the left because I'm a lefty, just on the top. And what you do is, this is your normal rod that goes right here, like so, right? Goes like so. From there to there, right? So at the very end, you're gonna use from here, you're gonna measure how back the bolt rack goes for it to feed the FSR, and then you cut the little piece off that goes into this, and then you weld a piece coming up for the handle. Unfortunately, this thing is so small and thin that you cannot put like a really nice handle, but it doesn't matter. So when you modify it, pretty much you end up with something like that. Let's see if you can see that good. See, I have this from I think it was one of those Milsig part that holds the dual mags on the SMG, but I did it because it has thread on this side, so I'm probably gonna put a little knob or something eventually, but for right now I'm gonna leave it like that. So anyway, you know, I'm a welder, so you weld it there. So now you end up with, sorry for the camera, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you end up with that, pretty much. And then I took these springs are from the Helix mags. I just cut two pieces about that size and I put them together to make it strong enough. So when you rack it, and it'll go forward, and then it'll stay forward. So when you shoot the FSR, because since it's fixed, you can't pull it down to lock it like you normally do on the bolt action. So it has to, you know, be the only way of locking it in place for when you shoot. Other than that, that's pretty much it, man. See, so when you have it like this, it sits something like that, and then you rack it back and forth, and that second one like this. I can't do it with one hand, but you get the point. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that's it, man. There's nothing really special to it, man. Just a simple mod. Hopefully it works out for you guys. Alright, later.